There is a saying, the history of life is the history of water. Humanity has used water for various purposes, including not only drinking water, but also sanitation and agriculture. Now, modern people supply the electricity using the power of water. Hydroelectric power. Our mission of 씨앤에이에너지 is to develop and construct independent and advanced environmental technology related to renewable energy by utilizing hydropower. Normally, when we say hydropower, we think of vast facilities like dams. Then, what is small hydropower? Small hydropower is a developing way to get energy by using the power of small water, which is the next generation energy not affecting to environment and ecosystem. Small but strong. It is small but precious energy with high energy density. The floating micro hydro generator we produce is an energy conversion technology using the natural flow of running water, and it can be manufactured according to the inflow of water and environmental conditions. It is an energy conversion technology using the natural flow of running water, and it can be manufactured according to the inflow of water and environmental conditions. It can be widely installed in running water, such as agricultural waterways, utilized water inlet pipes, and rivers. Since the civil structure is simple, the installation is also easy. 씨앤에이 turbines are radial and partially water-injected, free injection turbines that maintain and optimize the functioning of waterways to achieve high energy efficiency. It has a downstream discharge function for foreign substances, so maintenance is easy, and the use of vegetable grease has little effect on the surrounding environment. The equipment can be installed in a short period of 2 to 3 days, and it is possible to exchange and inspect parts by lifting it up to the waterway through the hoisting platform, which is an accessory facility. It is a floating type, and the structure of the boat installation is simple. Also, hydroelectric power generation is possible where the generator process is not available. Our 씨앤에이에너지 has a patent for a floating hydroelectric power plant. When electricity generation using fossil fuels such as greenhouse gases, global warming, and resource depletion creates an environmental crisis, we contribute to regenerating the Earth in crisis through intensive development in the hydropower sector through the renewable energy business. 씨앤에이에너지's mission is to use its experience and advanced technological solutions to provide maximum commitment to continuously preserve the environment and create a cleaner future. We carry out our corporate responsibilities and roles in the era of the environment-friendly environment, and at the same time carry out continuous disruptive innovation. This is the present and future of hydroelectric power presented by 씨앤에이에너지. 씨앤에이에너지.